This is my project in computer programming 2. This video is about inputting grades using Java methods, arrays, multi-dimensional array, and exception handling. So let's start. This class is used for handling input errors that is below in exception handling. This section is used to loop until it will get valid input for students and subjects which only accept an integer. This is used to read the number of students and this one is to read the number of subjects that is entered. The break keyword is used to exit the loop if the user input is an integer which is valid. This section will execute if the user input is mismatched, like inputting character or letters. So let's try to execute the code. If we enter a character or letter like W, the error message will display. Then if we enter the correct integer, it will continue and ask for the number of subjects and the grades of the students. This section is the two-dimensional array to store the grades of the student. These three methods is used to handle the grades. Input grades is used to get grades from the user. Display grades is used to display the entered grades. Calculate average is used to calculate and display the entered grades. The first method is used to input the grades for each student. So this is used to loop through each student. So this one is used to look through each subject. So this one is used to read the grades. Then this one is used to check if the inputting integer is in the range of the grades, which is 0 to 100. So this one is used to store grade in the array. So this break keyword is used to exit the inner loop if the input is valid. This message will display if the user input non-numeric like letters or words. Kailangan yun yung number ang input. So this kind of next is used to clear invalid input. So let's try to execute the code. Enter number of students, 1, subjects, 2. If we enter 95, it will continue. Then if we enter words or letters, the error message will execute. If we enter -1, another error message will display. Then if we end, this error message will display if we enter letters, and this error message will display if we enter -1 or numbers that are exceeding 100. So this is the code of the method 1. So let's move on to the second method. This method is used to display the grades. So this line is used to print grades. This line is used to move to the next line after each student. The last method is used to calculate and display the average grade for each student. This section is used to add all grades that is inputted by the user. This one is used to calculate average grade. This section is used to display average and pass or fail status. If the average is less than 75, it will fail, and if the average is greater than 75 or equal, it will pass. So let's try to execute the code. If we enter letter like W, the error message will display this usba number gani, then enter the number of subject 2. So grade mo sa subject 1 is 95, then grade mo sa subject 2 is, if we enter letter, this error message will appear. Then subject 2, if we enter the integer 93, it will continue to student number 2. So subject 1 grade sa student number 2 is 73. Then if we enter negative 1, another error message will display this. Then if we enter the correct integer 74, it will display the grades of the student 1 and student 2. So this is the grades of student 2, then average grade of student 1, add ang 95 o 93, then divide 2, then average student 2, add gihapon and divide. Then this message, if above 75 or equal, this one is printed, and this one if failed ang kanang grades. Then this is the method 1, is the inputting of the grades, and this one is the method 2, which is the displaying of the grades. Then the last method, which is calculating and displaying the average, is this one, this last method. So that's all. Thank you for watching.